So as soon as this fog clears up a little bit, we were gonna head out and get some live bait and then go to Kellogg's, or go to Kellogg's and then go to Spanish Landing.
What's on, brother? How you doing?
Buddy.
Long time no see.
I know, it's been a while.
What's on, brother? How you doing?
Buddy.
Long time no see.
I know, it's been a while.
Dude, the winter, it's just so funny, dude. Sean guides for me and I'm like, bro, I haven't seen you for 2 months. It's like the winter and fishermen just like, you don't see each other on the water every other days. It's like, what are we doing?
Yeah.
I mean, how did that? You've had it for a while. You beat up the bait status?
Mike, you can let me go. I'm gonna scoot forward.
Yeah. No, I mean, for the bait and everything, and then mackerel and Lahore, the only time I've had issues is going long day.
Yep. I got a Hali. Little Hali. Maybe the bite's turning on a little bit. There we go. Ah, no, don't dump my Coke. All right. He should be just fine after this. Quick release here. Oh, see. Calm down, little guy. Yeah, he's feisty as a mofo. Yeah, he's a little tiny guy. Thanks, Mikey. Oh, he came off.
Oh.
That's got to be a Hali. No, I think he just had it. Yeah. I think he went up, whacked it, and then just stopped. Oh yeah, Hammerville. Mikey's on.
Long spinner. Dang, look.
Boom shakalaka. All right, so this is what's going on. William caught himself a halibut. Mike, oh, thought I was just bit. Better just hold my pole. William caught himself a halibut. He was the last guy. We knew he was going to get one at some point. Mauricio's caught a couple of Hali. Tay has caught a 22-inch keeper. I think it's just over 22. Mikey's caught. Sorry, I thought I just got tapped. Mikey's caught a couple of spotties. Sean's caught spotties. I don't know what Grant has caught, but Grant's not even fishing. He's just hanging out and having fun. Grant's gonna fish hard tomorrow, I'm sure. But like I said, don't forget, March 20th. I'll give you guys a little bit more of a clue on the way in, but March 20th, guys, keep that day free. I hope you can be in the San Diego area on March 20th. Tomorrow, we will be fishing out of Dana Point up with the Mad Anglers. Grant's gonna be there. Mikey from SD Fish and Sips is gonna be there. There's gonna be a whole bunch of us. So we will see you then, but we're gonna finish today. Thanks for coming along.
How you guys
guys doing?
We're doing okay. I caught a like a 20-inch Hali, and a couple other guys caught a couple like 12-inch Halis, and
Yeah.
just kind of semi-slow winter fishing day, you know. What are you guys doing?
We did okay yesterday. I want redemption. I got one legal yesterday, so I want more. We need anything?
I think we're good, bro.
Yeah.
I appreciate it.
We're gonna go get bait now. I'll see you around. What time you fishing till?
2-ish.
2?
Good luck today, brother. This feels a little bigger. This is definitely a big ass halibut. I can't even see him yet. Where's my grips? Oh, there he is. Let's see how big you are.
I got you. Yeah, it's just a little bit off.
He's close, but I don't think he's going to be a keeper. I think he's going to be a hair.
Oh, were you just getting bit right there?
Ooh.
I thought, it looked like you. I thought you were getting bit.
I think he's going to be a hair short. But we'll see. I was wrong yesterday.
I think it'd be more than a hair short, but that looked like a hair and a whole rabbit.
Well, he swallowed the hook, so I got to cut it for show.
He swallowed the treble hook.
Oh, yeah. So, cut that off. Relax. $20.
Yep. Dang.
A little short.
Well, they're here.
Yep.
Nice, bud.
Oh, watch out.
Sorry.
I just didn't want to hook. I still have one hook on it.
So you like that lightweight? You think lighter weight is better?
Oh yeah, I like the lightweight for sure. I gotta take a picture because I don't have any pictures with me with fish. Just everybody else.
Yeah.
Okay guys, as you know, this is a fishing channel, but a couple weekends out of the year, the first and second weekends after 4th of July weekend to be exact, I'll be showing you guys OTL, or over the line. More to come.
Oh my word.
That's awesome.
That is awesome.
Yeah, we got some live ones here, so we're just not going to use them all.
Oh, and by the way, suck that.
Sandbass or a spotty?
No, it's just a pretty chunky spotty.
Yeah, I was going to say, that was like a 15-incher.
Yeah, no, it's a nice one.